now I received this Xiaomi robot vacuum S40. Now I doing unboxing now. So you can see that this is the box of the Xiaomi robot vacuum. This Xiaomi robot vacuum is the latest version S40. Now I'm going to open it and see inside. Take out the boxes. Inside you can see this is the box, this is the mop, and with the water tank. Okay, and let's go and see this menu guide from Xiaomi. Okay, let's open inside. This is the size of the robot. Okay, so this is the power adapter. It's going to connect to the docking. This is the brush going to connect it at the back of the robot. Button behind. This is how it looks like. So you can see at the back there is the vacuum part. This is the docking where the robot will go back to the charging port, charging docking. This is the power connector port. Now I'm going to test out the Xiaomi robot vacuum. You can hear and this is the print screen that I make from my house. You can see how the robot go through all the room and while the scan, and this is how dirty that the result from the vacuum. You can see a lot of hair, dust, and all small particle inside. Okay, so it's very good. Recommend it. So you can try out this. Okay, this is another iPad video. Show my living room. We're going to complete the cleanup. Okay, then you can see how the Xiaomi robot vacuum go back to the charging station. Wow, so smooth. Yes, you can try it.
Start charging.
Bye.